In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your liftgate pistons on your Subaru Forester. They're located in the back when you lift the liftgate on either side. All right, so we are going to prop our tailgate up because we are replacing the pistons for the hatch. So you want to make sure you have something really sturdy. All right, we're going to unscrew this to get it out of our way. Place that off to the side. I'm going to use a 12mm wrench, and we are going to loosen up this, take it right out. Once you get it mostly out, you're just going to use your fingers, take it down nicely. I'm going to use a 10mm. There is a little bit of a shim there, so make sure you take that off if it gets stuck to the car because the new part comes with a new one. So at this point I've compared my two parts and I've seen a slight difference in the new one, which is better than the old one. They give you a new ball joint, so you're going to put that in, but you also get on the other end this spring here, which is not on the old part. So what this allows you to do is to unspring it to take the piston off if you ever need to replace it again, instead of having to undo everything and take it all off at the same time. First, I'm going to put my washer on this piece, hand thread it in. Nut is slightly larger, so instead of a 12, it's a 13mm. Just going to snug that up. Once you're done there, you can move down here. Start your first bolt. Line up the hole for the other one. And start your second bolt. When you're doing both at the same time, you want to make sure the bracket is going the same way as the other one that you took off. You don't get them crisscrossed. All right, you're going to use your 10mm socket, tighten these down, snug them up. Then you're going to lift your piston up. All right, so this clip you need to take out and slide down. You're going to put the ball inside and then lock it in. Push up on your hatch. Slide the bowl on, slide it in, and then push it down to lock it. After you're done installing the piston, you can go ahead and put your stopper back on. Stopper, bumper. With a Phillips head screwdriver, just tighten it down. Now you can do the same on the other side. All right, now that you are done, you can take your prop out. All right, so now we're going to test the liftgate. Good. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.